morning, students. So today I am going to teach you the new topic. The topic name is direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. So first of all, we do not know what is direct and indirect speech. So how can we know about it? So I taught you about it. What is direct and what is indirect? So here, look at here on the board. It's already given the definition of the direct and indirect speech. Let's see. Direct speech is the mode of narration in which the speaker's words are presented exactly the way they are said by using quotation mark. So what is direct speech? The mode of narration. The mode of narration in which the speaker's word, whoever the speaker's word exactly right in the quoted speech. That is called direct speech. Okay, we know that. Let us see example here. I write example. Okay, Monica said, I want to learn English. Monica said, I want to learn English. See, Monica said, comma, then in inverted comma, this is the quoted speech. Whose words? The speaker, Monica. The speaker's exactly word given. Okay, so it's called direct speech. Then comes to the indirect speech. See, indirect speech is the mode of narration in which the exact words of the speaker are reported or summarized. In the words of the person who reports it. Direct speech is exactly words whose speaker's words exactly given by the speaker's word. That is called direct, and the same words but given as the reported or summarized. Okay, so this is the comma, then in inverted comma this is the reported. Reported means exactly words given by the speaker. So when we turn into indirect, this word can be changed. Okay, so see that Monica said. So here Monica said. Then we need to write conjunction. Some of the conjunction. Different sentences have different conjunction. Okay, it's a declarative sentence. See, in the inverted comma is a declarative sentence. That is why I write conjunction there. Okay, Monica said that. Okay, then in the indirect speech we do not need to write comma and inverted comma. Now then look at here, I. So who is here? I, Monica. Monica said, I want to learn English. So Monica is a girl. So what we write when we change from direct into indirect? So this I, the pronoun I, change into she. Then here given the verb, main verb, simple present tense forms of the verb given here. I want to learn English. So this simple present tense change into simple past. So I want to change into wanted, and then the infinitive and the word English and full stop. So this is the indirect speech. Monica said that she wanted to learn English. Okay, so what is the difference between direct and indirect speech? Let's see. Here given direct speech and indirect speech. What we write in the direct speech? Already I have mentioned here. Then this portion. What we write in direct speech? See, quoted speech is placed within inverted commas. Quoted speech. See, this is the quoted speech. Quoted is write in a speech. This is the speech. And in inverted comma, what we write? Quoted speech in which? Direct speech. But we cannot write quoted speech in indirect speech. So here see, no inverted commas are used. In which? In indirect speech. When we change from direct into indirect. Then comes the second C. The introducing or reporting verb and the quoted speech are separated by the comma or a colon. See, this is the first, then separate by comma, and in the inverted comma this second sentence. Okay, so two sentences framed by comma and inverted comma. When we change from direct into indirect, see, there is no comma or inverted comma here I used. So no comma or colon is used. Then comes to the third. No conjunction is needed. In which? Indirect speech, because it is a quoted speech in inverted comma. Okay, exactly what we write, which word the speakers speak. Okay, exactly what. That is why we do not write the conjunction in direct speech. But when we change from direct into indirect, conjunction is needed. Which conjunction? Let's see here. The subordinated conjunction such as that is used to join the main sentence with the quoted speech. The main sentence with this quoted speech joining with the conjunction that. So conjunction is needed in indirect speech. Okay, subordinate conjunction. Then comes to here. There can be two different tenses in a single sentence. There can be two different sentences. So here see simple past and here use simple present. Same as we already I have written the example. See the same. Jagat said. So here the said is the verb. Which tense is here used? Simple past. And in the inverted comma it will be changed. See, I studied mathematics in school. The same as here I given. I have one is given as the simple present tense form of the verbs. Okay, so there can be two different tenses in a single sentence. Okay, here we use. Then here the tense of the verb of the reported speech is changed to match the tense of the reporting verb. When we change this reporting verb, it can change. Okay, it would be changed. See, simple present change into simple past. Then next here, see, change. Jagat said that he studied mathematics in school. Change the tense. Then here, the pronoun of the quoted speech is in the first person. Is in the first person quoted speech. Example here given. The pronoun is in the first person singular I. Here see. Here use I. While the speaker is in the third person singular Jagat. See, Jagat. Third person singular name of person Jagat given, and here in the quoted speech given I. Okay? And here what we write here? The personal pronoun is changed. This personal pronoun is changed from the first person singular to the third person. First person given, so we change this first person into third person according to the speaker here given. If given the boy name, then we write he. If given the girl name, like here Monica, then what we write? She. And if the given the boy's name Jagat, then when we change it, Jagat said that we write he according to the persons. If first person, second person, third persons. Okay? Third person never be changed. Then some of the pronoun we change from direct into indirect. If the pronoun given I, then we change into he or she. If the pronoun given we, then change into they. If the given pronoun my in the direct speech, then given his or her according to here my. Then your given his or her, then our given, then change into their, mine, his or hers, these, that, these, those. Okay, so these are the pronouns we change from direct into indirect. Okay, then which tense we change in quoted speech given. Okay, now I have to discuss with you which tense we change from direct into indirect. Okay. So friends, I have discussed with you about the direct and indirect, quoted speech and indirect. Now comes to go further. So here from direct to indirect speech, change of tense. Change of tense. Okay. See, if given simple present, simple future and present perfect, in verb in indirect speech, tense remain unchanged. When if these words given, okay, which reporting verb, which word reporting verb is given simple present says, or else simple future will say, or else given present perfect have or has said, then tense remain unchanged. Change what in the inverted comma, the tense remain unchanged. See the example, Jagat says, here given the simple present, reporting verb given as simple present. I love my country, given in the inverted comma direct speech. When we change this in the direct into indirect, see, Jagat says, then write the conjunction that, then this only pronoun can be changed. Okay, I change into he, then this simple present form of the verb given love. So we cannot change the verb. We unchange this tense. Tense remains same. He loves his country. What we change? Only the pronoun. When the reporting verb given, once again I said, when the reporting verb given in simple present, simple future and present perfect. Okay, says or as given, will say or have said. Okay, though we cannot change the tense in reported speech. Okay, then comes go further, change the tense in indirect speech, in quoted speech. In which speech? Quoted speech, given the tense, given the tense in quoted speech. So from direct into indirect, which tense do we change? Let's discuss with now, here and now. See, if given in quoted speech, direct speech sentence in simple present, okay, if given the verb one, then we change into simple past in indirect speech. One thing. If given in the direct speech in inverted comma, the tense is used, the present continuous, here given the example is MR writing, then we change into past continuous tense. Okay, was and were writing. If given in direct speech, a present perfect tense, have has with third person, okay, have has finished, then we change into indirect that past perfect had finished. If given the simple past in the direct speech, we change into indirect as past perfect, or sometimes this simple past remains same in indirect speech. Okay, but when we do not change the tense, when given the habitual action or universal truth, we cannot change it. It remains same. What we do? We only write the conjunction. If given, teacher said the sun rises in the east. Okay, in inverted comma. The sun rises in the east, inverted comma. So what? This is the universal truth. We cannot change it. So only what we add the conjunction, remove the comma and inverted commas. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Okay, it's a universal truth. That is why. Okay, then comes to the here. Some words we can change from direct into indirect. When we write the inverted comma, some words we can change. We change the words when the reported speech change. Okay, from direct into indirect. If the word given in direct speech ago, we write before in indirect. If the word given here, we write there. If the word given last, then we write the word previous. If the given word next or next day, then we write in indirect following the following. Okay, following or following day. Then the word given now sometimes is omitted, then we write which word then. Then the word given this change into indirect that. If the word given these change into those, that, those, these. Okay. Today change into that day. Tomorrow, the next day, the following day. Day after tomorrow change into in 2 days time. Tonight, that night. Yesterday, the previous day. The day before also. Day before yesterday means day before yesterday means how many days passed? 2 days passed. So 2 days before. 2 days before. So students, this is the information of the direct and indirect speech. In the next lecture, we change the sentences from direct into indirect. Okay? Thank you.